Welcome to Tutorial 3. This tutorial will include how to create an additional table. If you do not already have Access open, please click on the Start button and click on Access, which should be listed here. But if it is not, make sure that you click on All Programs, Microsoft Office, and then click on Access. But I have it open already, so I'm going to leave it as is, but you go ahead and open yours. If you did not finish Tutorial 2, you want to make sure that you complete that and add additional data in there at some point. It doesn't have to be before this tutorial in order for you to complete this one. If you'll just follow along and open up in a blank database. We're going to make sure that we open Second Story Originals database, which I have open now. I already have a manufacturer's table created along with the manufacturer's form. So now I want to create another table. So I click on Create and I click on Table, and it automatically opens one up. But I want to use Design View. So I click right here on that button and it automatically pops up, and I want to save it. Now this table is going to be named Products. And I'm going to click OK. And it automatically pulls it up. In the field name for ID, we're going to change that. And we're going to change that to item number. And we're going to leave it as auto number because we want it to just go ahead and add, or go ahead and assign it a particular number. Now we're going to add the rest of the fields. The remaining fields that we need to create are item name, item type, manufacturer, individual or set, place purchase, keywords, card type, cost, and image. Now this time we didn't change the data type last time, but we're going to change that this time. For this first one, an individual or set, we're going to click on down the drop-down box and click on Lookup Wizard. And we're going to choose the second option. I will type in the values I want. And we're going to click Next. We're only going to have two here, individual, and then the second will be set. And we're going to click Next. Now we do want to allow multiple values, so we're going to click in this box just in case it comes in either one, and we're going to click Finish. We're also going to do the same thing for keywords. So click down your down box, click on Lookup Wizard. Again, we're going to type in the values that we want, and we're going to click Next. And here is where we're going to add some values. Our keywords such as flower, girl, boy, trees, birds, Christmas, winter, woman's birthday, girl's birthday, Mother's Day, Easter, Halloween, witch. Okay, and we're going to click Next, and we're going to keep that name the same, and we do want to allow multiple values, and we're going to click Finish. For the cost, we're going to change that one to currency, and for the image data type, we want to be able to link an attachment there. Okay, and we want to view that now. We want to save it, and here we're going to view it in the datasheet view. And we're going to begin putting our data in. Our first product, the item name is Cowboy. Cowboy Snowman. And the item type is a rubber only stamp. The manufacturer is High Hopes. And we're going to click our drop-down box here, and we're going to select it's an individual and click OK. Our purchase place is highhopes.com. And our keywords here, we're going to drop down the box, and we're going to select Christmas and Winter. Click OK. And our card type is going to be Christmas and Winter. And our cost is going to be $7.20. And notice it already puts the $sign in there for us. And we're going to double click in this field, and that's going to pop up in this window. We're going to click Add our attachment, and it depends on where you have your image saved. You may have to go looking for it, but here's where I have my cowboy snowman, and I double click to select that, and I'm going to click OK. And then you see it says on right here, it tells you that you have one attachment. So you can select more than one picture and add it there, and it would save it for you. And you can continue to add more data and play with it and just make up whatever kind of data and add and add and add.